Other uses for your pipe L spacers. Guide marks for bending offsets. On your pipe L version 2.1 conduit spacer, you'll see that there's 3 triangles on the slot edge. Insert your conduit, make your first mark, now make your second mark. This reduces the chance of bending a dogleg. Shimming out device boxes, residential. Directly in stud for half-inch drywall. Use one spacer to shim up for tiled wall. Use a second spacer to shim up for double drywall. This reducing the need for extension rings and longer device screws. Spacing your devices. Loosely mount the devices in the box. Place 2 spacers between the first 2 devices, then tighten the screws. Place 2 spacers between the second and third devices and tighten the screws. Repeat if necessary. Your cover plate will fit perfectly. Visit us at www.pipe-pal.com for more information. Version 2.1 conduit spacers with laser. What you will need. First, you'll need a piece of strut cut to length. Next, a 10 to 12 inch piece of EMT conduit. A 6-inch piece of strut, 2 version 2.1 conduit spacers, pipe L laser, and 2 P-clamps. Always use proper safety protocol when using lasers. Place your conduit spacer's magnets down on a solid surface. Firmly push your laser into the laser hole and flip it around. Firmly push your laser into the other hole. Magnet side facing out on both spacers. First, install your cut-to-length piece of strut. Next, clamp your conduit centered on whatever you need to line up. Place a center mark on the bottom edge of your strut if you need to. Clamp hooks this side out. Place the laser on your conduit. Clamp your small piece of strut on the other side. Again, hooks on this side of the strut. Mark out the laser point on the other side to line up your center point. Make sure no one's in the way and turn on your laser. Always practice proper laser safety. Laser safety information at the end of this video. Move the switch side and the laser will move in the opposite direction. Move the laser side and the laser will move in the same direction. Move the switch side down and the laser will move up. Move the laser side down and the laser will also move down. Once your laser is lined up, it will be below the ceiling. Have a piece of board with a straight line marked down the center. Line it up with your laser and place your mark on the ceiling. For more information, visit us at www.pipe-pal.com. More information about laser safety following this. First, install your strut on the wall. Next, place your conduits. Using conventional methods will require you to space each conduit individually. Using pipe L conduit spacers, you can space 2 to 3 conduits at a time using individual spacers, placing a spacer on every second conduit. Space all of your conduits at once using multiple pipe L spacers, again, placing spacers on every second conduit, this saving you time and money. Reduce dropping tools and/or materials with pipe Pal's more hands-free installation method. Visit us at www.pipe-pal.com for more information. Pipe Pal spacers and inserts. Using conventional methods, you'll have to offset into a box or measure the box so you can drill out for your connectors. With Pipe Pal spacers and inserts, you can run your conduits straight into the box without having to measure or offset. They magnetize together and on your box so you know exactly where your conduits are going to go. Line up your spacers with the edge of your box and place your inserts in the spacer slots. The insert center holes fit a marker perfectly to mark out for your connectors. Lastly, remove your spacers and inserts to drill out for your knockouts. Visit us at www.pipe-pal.com for more information. Pipe Pal Laser System. The Pipe Pal Laser System is an inexpensive and highly effective system designed specifically for rack or conduit layout and installations. Typical self-leveling line lasers retail from $150 to $400 per laser. Based on the cost, many companies are limited to the amount of lasers that they can have on site. If lost or damaged, the replacement cost of one of these units is quite high. The laser installs directly in your rack. This means that you will not have to move any ground materials or job boxes that might block the laser unit. Your ladder or lift will not block the laser. You won't have to worry about your laser being knocked over or kicked by other trade workers. You also won't have to spend valuable time searching the job site or fighting for a laser so you can begin or continue your layout. In short, your crew can become more efficient and complete the task with little time wasted. When setting up and installing your laser unit, you're actually performing the first part of your installation, increasing your productivity even further. You can find setup instruction video on our website. With how the PipePal laser system is set up, you can line up your laser in no time. The PipePal laser system includes 6 conduit spacers, 3 markout inserts, PipePal laser, carrying case, and laser safety glasses with case and cleaning cloth. All this for the low price of $89.95. The PipePal laser can be purchased separately for only $19.95. It requires 2 AAA batteries, sold separately. Always practice proper laser safety. For more information, visit us at www.pipe-pal.com.